of the very same coin.
And this is tricky because it completely breaks a mental shortcut that we humans have used forever. You know how we instinctively think that if someone speaks or writes really fluently and confidently, they must know what they're talking about? Fluency equals expertise? Well, with AI, that link is totally severed. The fluency is always, always high, but the accuracy, that can be all over the map.
So the bottom line here is this. You can't just sit around and wait for the developers to fix hallucinations. Seriously, if you do that, you're going to be waiting on the sidelines forever. The real skill isn't about getting rid of this behavior, it's about designing your process around it. Which of course brings us to the big practical question. If this is just part of the tech, how in the world do we manage it? How do we use these tools without getting ourselves into trouble?
Well, the answer is a really simple but incredibly powerful framework that we're calling the verification ladder.
The whole idea starts by changing the question we ask. We need to stop asking a simple yes or no question like, is this AI output true? Instead, we need to ask something way more useful. Okay, based on what I'm trying to do here, what level of verification does this actually need?
So the ladder has 4 rungs, and each one represents a different level of risk. Your job really is to just figure out which rung your task sits on. It goes all the way from 0 stakes up to super high stakes.
All right, so